Class, this is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will revise block 19 important days. Be ready with all your essentials. Read block 19 properly. Underline important sentences and difficult words of this block. Pause the video, study the block and come back again to answer the questions. And now answer these questions. Questions are: explain about any three national festivals. Give the reason why we celebrate national festival. Who is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and why and how Children's Day is celebrated? Do you think all children celebrate Children's Day? So let's discuss about three national festivals, which are Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Teachers Day. These are national festivals and we will discuss about them. So what do you know about Independence Day? And why we celebrate Independence Day? So Independence Day is celebrated because on this day, on 15th August 1947, our country became independent from British rule. This is the newspaper of that day when our country became independent. Headline is India independent, British rule ends. This is the photo. And national festival is celebrated in schools and government offices. On this day, our Prime Minister gives speech at Red Fort and hoist our national flag. And people remember freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and we celebrate by singing patriotic songs, and in schools many programs are organized on this day. And what is Gandhi Jayanti? Gandhi Jayanti is also a national festival. We celebrate it as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is popularly known as Father of the Nation. And people also called him Bapu. He was the freedom fighter and helped to achieve freedom for India with non-violence or ahimsa. He taught us to be the change we wish to see in the world. He taught us that where there is love, there is life. He followed the path of ahimsa and non-violence. He was famous for his ahimsa and non-violence way of dealing things. And he is our father of the nation. And Gandhi ji helped poor and sick. He said everyone should be treated equally. And three monkeys of Gandhi ji give us message that we should not see evil, we should not say evil, and don't speak evil. Evil means bad things. These three monkeys of Gandhi ji give us message. Don't see evil, don't listen to evil, and don't say evil. And Gandhiji's spinning wheel is also famous. He used a spinning wheel to make cotton threads. His spinning wheel and three monkeys were very famous. And he helped poor and sick. He loved children very much. And how we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? People celebrate Gandhi Jayanti by offering flowers and lighting candles in front of the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. In schools and government offices, many programs are organized. In schools, children used to dress as Mahatma Gandhi, and fancy dress competition, and by singing songs and dancing. And by remembering him, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. And by singing patriotic songs, okay? And by singing patriotic songs, we can show love and respect towards our country. Can you give an example of patriotic songs? You can answer to your partner. What is patriotic songs? And what some other ways in which we can celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti by visiting Rajghat. So how people celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? People celebrate Gandhi Jayanti by visiting Rajghat in Delhi. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. And by singing his favorite song, which is, what is his favorite song? Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. And people offer flowers and light candles in front of Gandhiji's picture to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. And in schools and offices, many programs are organized and people sing patriotic songs to remember Gandhiji. Patriotic songs. By singing them, we can show love and respect towards our country. And what is an example of patriotic song? If you know, you can answer by yourself. Now answer, why is Mahatma Gandhi called the father of the nation? What's your answer? Think and answer. You already know many things about Gandhiji. So can you answer that why he is called the father of the nation? Because Mahatma Gandhi helped India to win freedom by ahimsa or ahimsa, both are correct. Means ahimsa or non-violence means without fighting or hurting others. And he cared people like a father. That's why people called him Bapu or the father of the nation. And here you can see some freedom fighters in this picture. Kasturba Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, Abul Kalam Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. You should know our freedom fighters. Sarojini Naidu, Mangal Pandey, Govind Vallabh Pant, Lala Lajpat Roy, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and full form is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Ras Bihari Basu, Rabindranath Tagore, and Jai Prakash Narayan. If you know other freedom fighters, you can answer. Now, what do you know about Teachers' Day and why we celebrate it? Teachers' Day is a national festival celebrated for teachers. And when on 5th September to remember Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, means we celebrate Teachers' Day as the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a leader also. And he was the second president of India. And when he became second president of India in 1962, he was the great teacher and he made plans for education of children. And when he was born, 5th September 1888, and when he died on 17th April 1975. And how we celebrate Teachers' Day? By offering flowers in front of the picture of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and many teachers receive awards and gifts on this day, and many programs are organized in schools. Why people celebrate Children's Day? As the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children. And it is celebrated on 14th November as the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine or decide the future of the country. And how Children's Day is celebrated? On this day, children receive gifts and sweets from their teachers, and many programs are organized. Children dressed up as Jawaharlal Nehru and offer him flowers and enjoy as much as they can. And no, not every children get the chance to celebrate Children's Day, because many children work as laborers and servants at a very young age to help their family, as you can see in these pictures. So you should not compare yourself from others, and you should not complain or you should not be sad for not getting small things, because you are more lucky than these children. And that's why you should study properly, because you are privileged that you get a chance to study. And other reasons are, many children do not have older people to look after them, so they don't go to school and they don't celebrate Children's Day. And this is about important days. After this, you need to do your writing work. First question is, write the name of any 8 freedom fighter. This is fighter, okay? Freedom fighter. And next question is, whom should we remember especially on Independence Day? Write the answers of these questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And be ready for your test. Revise the block properly. Take care everyone. God bless.